I'm coming for your soul. Watch out. Today we are doing a baking video. We already have the cake mix ready. See, yeah, perfect. Oh, it's on my face. It's on my face. I know how to work it. Ow! Sorry. Stop. Today we're gonna be making cupcakes. Water! No, don't make the freaky eggs. Okay. I'm scared of Okay, just put the eggshell there. Okay, now butter. Now we mix. That looks fine. I think there was an unmixed egg in there. It's very watery. No shit. You asked me to put so much water, Frankie. Okay, it kind of looks fine now. Yeah, it looks fine. Hold on, let me see. Might be a little watery, but doesn't matter. Oh, let me try. Yeah. We can add cornstarch to thicken it up. No baking powder. George. Georgie, get the cornstarch. Cornstarch. Get a spoon. We're doing this civil, kind of. Stop being so aggressive. Calm. It's good. Just put it in. We need to thicken this up. Okay, that's starting to look a little better. Kinda. You might want to add a little more. This is starting to look much better, guys. We are not giving up today. Let me try. Okay, that looks a lot thicker. That's good. That tastes great. It does? Okay. Oh, wait. There's some yellow in there. Oh my goodness. Ah. George. Yeah. You taste it. Okay. Oh, that's much better. Oh. Makes you go crazy. George! Yeah. Oh no. We might have to make a part 2. But, yeah. Okay. This was almost a catastrophe, guys. Okay, part 2 coming. But we fixed it. Part 2 coming soon. Oh, okay. Here's part 2 of baking. Right. Baking. Okay, so over here we are getting the cupcakes ready. The cupcakes are being dealt with. We were actually making chocolate chip cupcakes, but the chocolate chips are being assholes, so we kind of took them out. Not all of them are out, just so you know. It's like shitty. Yo, can you like declog the chocolate chips from here? Oh, that's a really full one. This will be a while, so if it does, I promise I'll make a part 3 eventually. That's shit. Okay, that one's just gonna be filled a little bit. Sorry, I didn't mean to slide it, Frankie. It's okay. Just need to make sure they don't overflow, or else we'll have a really big cupcake that's merged with the others. We don't want that. Frankie, that one's so little. Yeah, but it'll expand. I know, but how big will it be? It's fine. Well, the cupcakes will be cupcakes, and they'll be delicious. It came out really fast. Oh no. We'll get a break. Alrighty, we got baking class again. And yep, this is number 3. And today we are icing. We need to cut this. Where's the scissors? We got the other ones in the oven. They're just cooking. But yeah, that was great. We got them cooking. Oh, there are the scissors. Can you put them back together? In a second. We will be give me a second. There we go. Okay, we're gonna slice this very gently. Dude. Open it. No! Open it, like wide, and then get it in. What is going on? Hold it steady. There we go. Now, George, if we would like to maneuver the camera so that they can see what we're doing today. Today, we are icing the cupcakes from the last batch. Let's move them closer to the camera. Oh no, the cupcake! They're chocolate chip cupcakes, by the way. I've never heard of chocolate chip cupcakes, so I decided to make them. Or we decided to make them. We're just gonna slowly pipe out. You can pipe them, I'll sprinkle them. It might be a little ugly to some, but to me, he's perfect. Do you not want to smear it? I think we should smear it. What do you mean smear it? He's beautiful. Don't smear all of them, but if they look really cute, then don't smear them. That one looks fine. Just leave it. Why not? I love the energy that kid brought to that game. Come on, that's great stuff. Working for my man Jim Sooks. Don't smear that one. Oh, duh. I like that one. These are chocolate chip pink sprinkle cupcakes. That's what we're gonna call them. Gross. You may have to make a part 4 because we are gonna have to stop and make some ice cream and check icing and check the cupcakes. So yeah. You didn't set a timer. We don't need a timer. We just need to check them. I only set that if we forgot about them. Oh. Put more stars on that one. Perfect? No? There's no pink. There we go. One pink. We're gonna have to make about 4. Hey. How you doing? Freaky move. This is part 4 for baking. We're still decorating. We're back with the icing. That's the perfect one. Just no, this is the perfect one. Yeah. Just ignore the casualties. Today we are still icing again. So baking is great. Don't you agree? Yeah, Frankie, you just give Q&As while I pipe over here and just like tell stories. Okay. One time when I was a kid, I broke my femur and I almost bled out and died. Ow. So yeah. And are you running out already? Oh no, it's overflowing. Everything's okay. Nothing's going on here, I swear. Sorry for the short episode yesterday. We ran out of icing. And episode 3 was kind of short, so sorry about that. If you like these videos, then we'll keep it up. Why don't we make a YouTube video? Yes. We post this on YouTube. Oh my god, this is amazing. We could get famous. I don't know. Just a thought. I don't want to do that. Oh my god. That's why I made the thought. Okay, they're all frosted. Okay. Now tell me here, who likes baking and who doesn't like baking? Baking is a thing. Georgie? Yeah. What? It's his hair. Okay. Oh god, that's hot. So we'll keep making videos. Yep. Yeah. Baking is great. What happens if we accidentally do get famous? Oh my God, I don't know. Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. Well, that's the end of the series. Bye-bye.